The key to a good LED strip is look at what is inside. Let me walk you through it, piece by piece. First, the LEDs reuse sun-on chips. Brighter, cooler, and built to last. Next, the aluminum profile, more thicker, available in black and gray. Thicker aluminum means better heat dissipation, less rapid, and cleaner installation. The connector uses a dual contact wave design. Even with repeated installation and removal, the contacts stay firm, no bending, no breaking. Reliable contact, stable performance. Inside the cable, we use 17 strands of pure copper, not copper-clad aluminum. Better conductivity, better heat resistance, and stronger oxidation protection. This is our 12V 10x10 solder-free LED strip. No soldering needed, just plug and play. LEDs, aluminum, connector, wiring, and workmanship. These 5 points are the most important.